Now let us look at some of the AI powered tools that are used in Word. This is again which has been introduced by Microsoft itself. So first things first, we are understanding about the researcher tool. Now the researcher tool, which actually makes use of AI integration, helps the user in finding some relevant information or content from other sources. So say for example, if I'm creating a research paper and I want to cite some resources into my document or into my content, then I can make use of this researcher tool. And this will basically pull out some of the citations and some of the reference material that I may even try to use it into my projects. So this is the researcher tool. Apart from that, we have the Microsoft Editor. Now the Microsoft Editor is again an AI powered tool which actually helps us in bringing out the grammar and the style checking. Apart from that, spelling errors, understanding that where am I doing some grammatical mistake, it will actually give me an analysis by exploring the entire document for me. And it will also try to ensure that I am clear with what exactly I am trying to speak in my content. So say for example there are some clarity issues, then Microsoft Editor is also going to suggest some things to me. So say for example if I want to agree to it, I can even change it so that it can paraphrase or it will try to make the words clearer in my content. Apart from that, Microsoft is also integrating the Microsoft 365 Copilot. Now, Copilot was announced in 2023 that it is going to integrate Copilot along with the Microsoft Office 365 applications. Now, this is spanning all the applications under the 365 Office suite, and here Word is also not excluded from it. So, the new Copilot feature will basically generate the text for me. So, based on whatever exactly I'm trying to prompt it to use. So with the help of the natural language processing, it is actually going to try to understand what am I trying to ask from it. So say for example, I want to generate a report, I want to generate some content, I can actually generate it with the help of Copilot, and Copilot will actually give the data to me and I can then choose to use it, edit it, style it, do whatever I want to do with it. I may even choose to rewrite it, rephrase it, or even discard it for that matter. So, Copilot is going to do the work parallelly along with me. So, as in how I'm adding my content, Copilot is going to read it and analyze it for me.